Welcome to WebStarPress. In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Google Docs. To do that, go to google.com, click Google Apps icon, select Drive. You see my Google Drive already has got dark mode enabled. It's in the settings. If I enable dark mode, but even if the dark mode is enabled for my Google Drive, if I create a new document from Google Drive, it's not in dark mode. And here we don't have any setting to enable its dark mode. So to do that, search Chrome extensions in Google, go to Chrome Web Store, search dark mode Google Docs or Google Docs dark mode. This is the extension. Add it to Chrome browser or Brave browser. And after that, go back to Google Docs, and as you can see, dark mode for Google Docs has been enabled. Click this icon in the browser and select dark mode Google Docs to turn on or off dark mode. Also, you can adjust brightness, contrast, and other options. And if you are using Firefox, then go to Firefox add-ons, search DocsAfterDark or Google Docs dark mode. This extension will turn on dark mode for Google Docs in Firefox. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.